Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my very new vlog. And today morning was a little busy. I could not shoot much. And जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला था कि I'll be going to Ajoba Keri Jatra, but I could not go because it was only 5 days and I could not go. I could not reach there. I was a little busy today, busy last few days, so I could not go. And today I had come to Som's place because he had invited me for lunch. We had lunch and now we have decided to go somewhere out. Let's see, it is not yet decided, but we are thinking of to go to a restaurant or to a good restaurant. Let's see what we do, but yeah, we'll go somewhere out, we'll enjoy a little bit and then we'll back home. So please watch my vlog till end, and yeah, let's go. So now I'm going home because I want to change my clothes and I want to wear something new. So now we have got ready and we're going for a dinner. So we have decided that we're going for a dinner. So after searching many of the restaurants, we are here at Lakshmi Family Restaurant, which is in Ponda. So it is very famous for their biryanis and we love their biryani. So we are going there. Let's go. What are you taking?